Welcome to day 1 of our Beginner to Confident Speaker 60 Days Challenge. Today we will learn basic greetings in English. These are the words we use every day. Let's start. Hello and hi mean the same. But the difference is, you can use hello in a formal way and hi is more friendly. We say good morning till 12 p.m. It is a greeting we use in the morning when we meet someone. Good morning shows respect and politeness. If you see your friends, family, or teacher before 12 p.m., you can smile and say good morning. It makes the other person feel happy and welcomed. We say good afternoon from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. It is a greeting we use in the middle of the day. When you meet someone after 12 p.m. but before 4 p.m., you can say, good afternoon. It sounds polite and respectful. For example, good afternoon, sir. It shows good manners and makes your conversation friendly. We say good evening after 4 p.m. It is a greeting we use when the day is ending and evening begins. When you meet someone after 4 p.m., you can politely say, good evening. It sounds warm and respectful. For example, good evening, friends. It helps you start a conversation in a nice and friendly way. Good night is not a greeting. We do not use it when we meet someone. We say good night when we are going to sleep or when we are leaving at night. It is a polite way to end the day. For example, good night, mom. It shows care and a warm goodbye before sleeping. Congratulations! You finished day 1 of our Beginner to Confident Speaker 60 Days Challenge. Give yourself a big thumbs up. Day 1 done.